Boost your reading comprehension with synonyms and antonyms. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to another exciting session in our Advanced Vocabulary series. Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic: improving reading comprehension using synonyms and antonyms. So, what exactly are synonyms and antonyms, and how can they play a key role in enhancing your reading comprehension skills? Let's find out. To begin with, let's clarify what synonyms and antonyms are. Synonyms are words that have the same or very similar meanings. For example, happy, joyful, elated are all synonyms as they convey similar sentiments of pleasure or contentment. On the other hand, antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. For instance, happy and sad are antonyms, as their meanings contrast with each other. The ability to understand and use synonyms and antonyms is integral to reading comprehension. When you read, your brain automatically searches for meanings of words and their context. Knowing synonyms and antonyms allows you to better understand, interpret, and analyze the text, thereby enhancing your reading comprehension skills. Synonyms can greatly aid in reading comprehension by providing you with a more nuanced understanding of the text. If you encounter a difficult word in a reading passage, try to think of its synonyms. This can provide you with a better idea of the word's meaning and its context within the sentence. By expanding your synonym vocabulary, you can improve your understanding of diverse texts and articles. Antonyms, just like synonyms, are crucial for improving reading comprehension. If you understand the antonym of a word, you can decipher the meaning of a sentence even when the original word is unfamiliar to you. Antonyms also help you to understand contrasting ideas within a text, further enhancing your ability to analyze and comprehend diverse reading materials. There you have it. Synonyms and antonyms are not just vocabulary words. They are vital tools for improving your reading comprehension skills. By expanding your knowledge of synonyms and antonyms, you can enhance your ability to understand, interpret, and analyze various texts. We hope that this video has been helpful and that you will continue to explore and learn more about the rich and diverse world of the English language. Until next time, happy learning!